Nokia is back! After a few years of silence, the tech giant is gearing up for a major comeback, and this time, it's with something big. We're talking about the Nokia Magic Max Ultra 5G. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you're thinking about upgrading to a new phone, this one might just be the one. But before you make any decisions, watch this video till the end, because we've got all the leaks, features, and details you need to know. Let's dive into what makes the Nokia Magic Max Ultra 5G so exciting. First off, the design. This phone is going to turn heads. With a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, you're looking at a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a crazy 360 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. And get this, it has a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, so you can expect sharp, vibrant visuals. Plus, Gorilla Glass 7 protection to keep it safe. Now, let's talk about the cameras. This beast is packing a triple camera setup. The main shooter? A jaw-dropping 200 megapixels. Yeah, you heard that right. Plus, you've got two other cameras at 32 megapixels and 8 megapixels. Selfie lovers, don't worry. The front camera is a 32 MP setup for your perfect shots and video calls. Under the hood, the Nokia Magic Max Ultra 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core processor. This means you're getting top-tier performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing. And to keep you going all day, it's rocking a massive 7,500 mAh battery. And when you need a quick charge, the 125W fast charger will get you powered up in no time. So, when can you get your hands on this beast? While the official launch date is still under wraps, we're expecting it to hit the market soon. As for the price, it's rumored to be around $800, which is a solid deal for all these features. If you're as excited as we are about this phone, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. What feature are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts below. And as always, stay tuned for the latest leaks and tech news. Until next time, peace out.